Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Toyota Yaris on a 21 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car. And then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we have plenty of boot space, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, first thing you'll notice is the alloy wheels are all in fantastic condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the gauge to show you how much of the hybrid power you are using in this vehicle. It will show you what gear you're in. So it's an automatic, we're in park at the moment. It shows you the vehicle is running, and currently we are in electric vehicle mode. When that disappears, it's cut into petrol. Which you've just seen it do there. Over on the right-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge and the fuel gauge. In the centre, the main trip computer section, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 33,530. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the right-hand side, along with cruise control, speed limiter, lane departure warning system, and forward collision warning as well. Over into the center next, we have got touchscreen. You have physical buttons down the right and left hand side, so you can go into certain menus, for example audio, which is the menu we are now in. In the audio menu, you can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio. You can also mirrorcast, so essentially project certain Toyota friendly apps up onto this screen as well. You can come back to your menu from here as well, and you've got your phone, which you can pair up, of course. You can enter a setup menu on the device, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see a full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speeds to maintain these two temperatures for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto off and allow you to put it back on your own settings. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. USB input underneath that, a 12-volt charging socket. The key is loose in the car because it's keyless start, so just hit that start button. As long as the key is with you in the vehicle, of course, that's how you start and stop the vehicle. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. Down the bottom here, you can put the vehicle into electric vehicle mode. You can turn your traction control on and off, and you can change the driving setup of the car. So you can put it into eco, and I'll show you just on here as we press it. So power, eco, or just regular. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in the envelope just here is the spare key. There are 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then the service book for the vehicle. So as you can see here, plenty of service stamps on this page just here. And then plenty to be continued, of course. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.